What's cracking, YouTube? Welcome back to Meyer's two-stroke RC garage. And today, guys, we're going to finish up this little rip today. It's a lot colder than it was last time we had it out. But what we're going to do is we're going to finish up a rip and see if we can get a rip out of this machine that I put the Meyer ported 32 in. So right now it's in the 20s. It's like 28. So a little bit different from last time when it was 60. So we're gonna see how it runs and we'll get at it. I'll put you on my head and let it warm up for a little bit. Wheels up! Yeah! Oh, something happened. Oh! We lost our gear! All right, guys, back in the RC car shop, and I'm going to show you guys what happened. It didn't just come loose, it broke the bolt, is what it did. And the bolt is still stuck in my clutch bell, so I'm not going to be able to go anymore. I gotta get that bolt out of there somehow, or I got another one of them slotted clutch bells I could throw on it. So that's what happened. If everybody liked today's rip as much as I like making it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, and you like what you see, you should probably do that, because this is what I do. And by the subscribe button, there's bell notifications. Select that, select all. You get every upload I upload. And don't forget, if there's something on your mind, leave a comment in the comments section, guys. We will see you in the next one.